Hey guys! Guys, welcome to North Orchard Residences, located in Barangay Quezon, Santa Maria, Bulacan. My name is Nicole, your go-to Bulacan realtor. We're gonna have a house tour, and today you will discover our biggest promo, both for bank financing and in-house financing for North Orchard. Let's have a house tour. Guys, the model is single attached. It's called Florence model. Ayan siya sa screen, yung kanyang minimum lot area, yung kanyang floor area. Available din po dito yung malaking lot area, okay? So right now, the status of the subdivision is we already have a community. Meaning to say, may mga nakatira na po. May mga homeowners na po dito. And we also have complete amenities like swimming pool, clubhouse, etc. And some of our clubhouse are already finished, already usable. Nagagamit na po talaga siya ng ating mga homeowners. Okay? Yung iba naman, for construction or ongoing construction. So dito guys, grabe, alam mo kaya ako biglang napasugod ngayong araw na to sa North Orchard kasi naman, ang laki po ng kanilang promo na yung discount nila for bare months, okay? Sayang hindi nyo na naabutan yung like, ano lang, last week lang, naubos na kaagad yung kanilang ready for occupancy na ang laki nung discount nila sa down payment. Kasi guys, ano eh, medyo pag mga ganong promo, paunahan talaga. Pero, kung ang hanap mo naman, okay ka sa pre-selling, yung tipong pre-selling pero mabilis pa rin yung turnover kasi kaya po siya ng within 12 months eh. Mamaya, malalaman mo yung malaking promo natin, sample competition, updated. Pero ngayon, tayo muna ay mag-house tour. Si Florence model, nakita niyo naman, ang laki ng lot and floor, di ba? May malaki kang garden and car garage. Pagpasok mo, complete finish na siya. So, yung tiles niya, 60 by 60 po yan. And then yung color ng paint, white po yan. Sa side na to, makakapaglagay ka ng 6-seater dining table. So, in total, we have 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. At sa space na to guys, sa ibaba ng hagdan, pwede ka pa ditong mag-customize ng storage. Ito naman yung toilet and shower natin sa baba. Maganda na rin siya guys. At ito, kasama to sa kitchen top, sa turnover. Meron tayong service area. Malaki guys yung laundry area o service area mo dito. Pwede mo yung ipa-enclose, palagyan ng roof, like even bicarbonate roof, di ba? At sa stairs naman natin, we use concrete stairs, tapos steel yung handle niya. So ito, naka-tiles po yung concrete stairs natin. Meron tayong napakataas na ceiling. Ayan. At syempre, ito talaga ang luwag ng ating hallway. Tignan nyo guys sa side na yan yung mataas niyang ceiling. Look at the high ceiling effect. Tapos may window pa yan dun sa gilid. Tignan nyo yung window niya dyan guys sa gilid. Ayan, di ba? Ang taas ng ceiling natin. Tapos dito sa bedroom 1, this is our Florence model bedroom 1. Dahil nga meron tayong 3 malalaking bedrooms, pwede dito up to family of 6, di ba? So, if your family is growing or you already have a big family, this is a perfect option, even retirement home for you, right? So, let's go to the second bedroom. Ang second bedroom natin, dahil sobrang laki ng pangalawang rooms natin dito, guys, kahit maglagay ka dito ng queen size, pwedeng-pwede. Meron ka ng kasamang sliding window rin, di ba guys? Hindi pa ito yung masters, kasi yung masters, ito siya. Yung master's bedroom natin, yung meron siya ditong aesthetic design. Meron siyang aesthetic, huge window design. O, ayan, di ba guys? Yan yung ating Florence single attached. Yung master's bedroom mo, kahit mag-king size ka pwede. Kasi dito mo dito, nagkaroon pa tayo ng space for the closet, di ba? Malaking closet, kaya pa. At yung ating toilet and shower number 2, ayan siya guys. Maluwag po yung toilet and shower, kaya ma-enjoy mo pa rin yung CR mo sa second floor. Let's go guys. let's talk about the sample computation. There you have it. Oh my gosh, guys. If you are an OFW, if you are freelancers, VAs, business owners, locally employed, you are welcome here at North Orchard Residences. Ang developer po natin ay si Solar Resources Incorporated. Before anything else, if you are not familiar in the area, let's talk about the location, okay? So we are 15 to 20 minutes drive only to Bocaue Exit, NLEX. Malapit ka sa NLEX. At dahil malapit ka sa NLEX, ang lapit mo na lang sa Quezon City, sa Metro Manila. At malapit ka lang or within 10 minutes drive sa Walter Mart Santa Maria. Lahat ng kailangan mo dito guys, kung schools, hospitals, palengke, malalaking palengke, supermarkets, and malls, malapit ka sa lahat. And thank God naman, no, kahit medyo binabagyo tayo ngayon sa Pilipinas, yung Luzon area, Bulacan area, this is the non-flooded part of Bulacan, yung ating subdivision, o diba guys? So, ano nga kaya ang ating mga updated sample computation? Mag-start tayo doon sa may malaking discount. So, kung gusto mong ma-avail yung Ayana computation na yan guys, nakikita nyo ba? 350,000 lang naman. Ang laki nun. Yung discount mo sa down payment, payable in 8 months pa siya for our pre-selling. O, diba guys? So, pag full DP ka na, okay na yung requirements mo, approve ka na kay bank at finish na yung house. So, after 8 months, unit construction for like 6 to 8 months. So, after 1 year, possible na makikita mo na yung unit mo at bilang ka lang ng konti, turnover na, di ba guys? So, yan po yung ating sample computation kapag bank financing, okay? So, what if naman mag-i-in-house ka? Sino ba yung mga nag-i-in-house? Yung iba na medyo alam nila na dehado sila sa bangko, may issue sila or whatsoever, ayaw nila mag-bank, or for whatever reasons, nag-i-in-house financing sila para mas okay yung documentation nila, mas hindi sila ganun ka-strict kay developer, mas pwede sila makapag-arrange kay developer, mag-i-in-house sila kahit mas mataas yung interest rate. Ano naman ang sample computation pag in-house? Ayan po siya guys. Kahit in-house financing yan, bibigyan ka pa rin namin ng 100,000 na discount. So yan yung magiging computation mo. May 100k discount ka pa rin and at the same time, divided by 12 months, yung down payment mo. So, kayang-kaya pa rin, di ba guys? 12 months na lang. So, dito guys, dahil may community na tayo, as much as possible, talagang ganyan na po yung mga pre-selling natin. Hindi na natin ginagawang 24 months or tinatagalan kasi nga as much as possible, mas gusto natin na talagang mas mabuo na yung community ng North Orchard, mas marami nang makalipat, marami nang maka-avail, mas sold out na natin ang project natin. Kaya naman, habang ang developer ay napaka-generous sa discount na binibigay nila, it's time for you to avail that. At syempre, ang importante dito, lalo na pag bank financing, yung proof of income. So, di ba sabi ko, pwede yung VA, yung freelancers, but you need to show your proof of income. Sa bangko, guys, kailangan nyo po talaga ng income tax return kasi ang magiging loanable amount dito ay more than 3 million, di ba? Kasi nga, nasa 5M plus na yung ating total contract price. Kasi sa mga bank, kapag VA freelancers, 3M or less lang, may ibang banks na hindi nag-require ng ITR eh. Pero for most cases, talagang they will need your ITR, okay? Para na rin kahit paano prepared ka. Pero pwede naman pong to follow. Kasi syempre ITR, hindi naman yan tipong bukas makukuha mo na. So, kung wala ka pang ITR, ipaprocess mo pa yan, diba? You can contact any accountant naman na nagpa-process yan for VA freelancers para hindi kayo mahirapan. Madali lang naman siya, guys. Unless you try, you will never know, diba? Ganun po siya. So, there you have it. This is our North Orchard Florence single attached model. And again, my name is Nicole. And dapat mo lang tandaan, bawal pong mag-walk-in dito, guys. Okay? Strictly no walk-in. So, you have to really contact me as soon as possible directly to my Viber and WhatsApp number. Kung magpapaschedule ka sa akin ng viewing at least 1 to 2 days before para mabook kita sa aking calendar. Okay? Kung ang gamit mo ay Messenger, ayan siya, guys. Pwede mo ako i-follow. May blue check yan, legit yan. Ako yan. Follow mo ako, just mention North Orchard. Para naman, pag sabi mo sa akin, okay ako sa computation na napanood ko sa video mo, at okay din ako sa requirements, Okay? Then, let's schedule a viewing. Or kung gusto mo, online reservation, send sa'yo yung mapa, mamili ka. Kahit anong ways, guys, pwede dito online, pwede on-site. Wala naman tayong problema dyan, okay? Basta let's just follow the process. So, ganun po siya. And of course, let's have a last look sa kabuuan at kagandahan ng ating model. Doon tayo guys sa labas. Tingnan natin yung buong model niya. Gate and fence pala kasama sa turnover free na yun.
Ay. Tapos na kayo?
Oo, yeah, that's it.
Sige.
Diba? Like and subscribe to my channel. Meron pa akong nakita dito kasama sa real estate. Ito siya guys sa labas. Sabi ko, gate and fence included in the turnover of Lawrence Model North Orchard Residences. So what are you waiting for? Contact me as soon as possible and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.